Okay, so
So I found the power wire for the fuel pump that I had a prior.
are you going to try to start it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I had a prior before they run this fuel pump on it, and the regulator, I'm not sure if it's got it dialed in right. I probably have to start in 2 years, so we're about to see what happens.
Let's see. Let me step back.
Yeah, I just said that. Might be a back line.